Hey gearheads, welcome back to Autoritz. Today we're getting a closer look at a revolution on four wheels, the mighty 2025 Lamborghini Temerario. But this isn't just a new Lamborghini, it's a sign of things to come. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the heart of a raging bull, tamed by the touch of electric power. Lamborghini never disappoints when it comes to design, and the Temerario is no exception. The silhouette hints at its Huracán predecessor, but sharper lines and a futuristic edge scream innovation. The hexagonal daytime running lights are a bold statement, like a mechanical cobra ready to strike. Move to the interior, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with cutting-edge tech. Innovative passenger displays keep everyone entertained, proving Lamborghini hasn't forgotten about the thrill of the ride for everyone. The Temerario ditches the classic V10 for a screamer of a different kind, a twin-turbocharged V8 with a plug-in hybrid twist. This powerhouse is rumored to churn out a staggering 730 Nm of torque, but the magic lies in how it delivers. The bespoke V8, designed specifically for the Temerario, screams all the way to a mind-blowing 10,000 RPM. That iconic Lamborghini wail is preserved, but it's balanced with the smooth, silent thrust of an electric motor. This is a hybrid unlike any other, a symphony of power that combines raw emotion with sustainable performance. Lamborghini claims the Temerario will launch from 0 to 100 km/h in a blistering time, but the true test is the driving experience. Early reports suggest the Temerario retains the sharp handling and pinpoint precision its predecessors were known for. The addition of electric power promises a new kind of thrill, instant torque that throws you back in your seat, and lightning fast gear changes thanks to the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. But here's the real kicker: the Temerario promises to deliver all this power while being surprisingly efficient. Imagine a Lamborghini you can drive every day without breaking the bank at the pump. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is more than a supercar, it's a symbol. It's a raging bull with a newfound respect for the environment. It's proof that high performance can coexist with sustainability. The Temerario is a glimpse into the future of Lamborghini, a future where breathtaking speed meets intelligent technology. This, my friends, is the dawn of a new era for the raging bull. So, what do you think of the Temerario? Would you take a hybrid Lamborghini for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe Autoritz for more supercar madness. Until next time, stay strapped in.